At about 7:30, we were informed that ex-minister of Karnataka State, Mr. C.T. Ravi, and who is the present MLC of Government of Karnataka, he is arrested by the police and he is brought to Khanapur police station. Then myself, my senior colleague Mr. G.M. Desai as well as my colleague Shri Siddharth Kapileshwari, we immediately rushed to Khanapur police station. And we were prohibited from entering the Khanapur police station. On the gate itself, about 1 hour, we informed all the higher police officers who were posted on the gate that they have to follow Arnesh Kumar versus State of Bihar, that ruling directions issued by the Supreme Court in that particular case. And every accused has got a right to meet his counsel during his custody in police or during his whenever he is interrogated also. In spite of that, they have not allowed us for almost 1.5 hours. Ultimately, we were allowed after lot of this thing. We told them that you are violating the Supreme Court orders, and after that they have allowed us.
Allowed the opposition leader Ashok and BJP MLA.
Even they restricted them initially, but later on they were allowed. But in spite of that, they were not taken inside also. Lot many press reporters have already seen it. Likewise, even inside when we met Mr. C.T. Ravi, he told that he wants to lodge an FIR. There is a threat to his life. And accordingly, one complaint was drafted. But that particular complaint, FIR was not registered by the police. And we also told Commissioner of Police that they can register a zero FIR if the offence is committed outside the jurisdiction of this police station. But in spite of that, Commissioner of Police was not ready to register the same, and ultimately, even in spite of telling, in spite of all the leaders of Legislative Assembly, Legislative Council, told him that he has to register a zero FIR and he should be impartial, because police are expected to be impartial even if there is any government ruling in any state. But in spite of that, it is found by all, in front of all cameras also. He is also injured, and while police were forcefully taking him, he is injured. And in spite of that, no medical, I feel that this is nothing but high-handedness, and this is like an emergency situation which was prevailing in the year 1978-79. That type of behavior, and I was having pride that Karnataka police are well placed all over the India, but we will be now necessary, that is in Karnataka Assembly, MLAs, MLCs will take up the matter. If we are advised, we will be filing a complaint before National Human Rights Commission as well as Karnataka Human Rights Commission against the erring police officials.
It's a very, the police station become a Congress party office. As a elected member, we are sitting last 4-5 hours for the acknowledgement. Is not giving the acknowledgement, police commissioner. And especially this commissioner, torture C.T. Ravi. The blood is coming from the head. Because it's torture, Lati. That is the thing happening in the inside of police station. I think entire Karnataka become the Gunda Rajya. So future, these police officers also have to face, because illegally they are tortured. Supreme Court order is there, human rights is there. So their torture anything is an elected member. So I think this Congress party and the police station become same. The police people act to rules and regulation. Here there is no rules and regulation. I think the BJP will protest tomorrow, state-wise. Future also, I say the police officers, this is not a permanent government. Think law and order. That is the message I have to give.